Steps to performing a 3-point turn. Number 1, check for safety, and do not do this if the middle line of the road is solid. In my own case, I'm already on the left side of the road. Make sure you are close to the curb so that you have enough space when you want to turn. Check the traffic in both directions as well as the mirror and the blind spots. Make sure the road is clear before you begin. Remember that whatever you do, safety is very, very important. The first point, turn right across the road. Signal right. This is to show your intention to the road users. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and slowly drive forward across the road. Stop just before reaching the opposite curb or the edge or any barrier at the other end of the road. This is far enough. I'll stop here. Put the gear in reverse. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left while reversing slowly. Look over your shoulders to check your blind spots and check mirrors for traffic and obstacles. Reverse until your car is angled toward the original side of the road. The third and the last point is to move forward. Shift the gear back to drive if you are using automatic, or first gear if you are using manual. Turn your steering back to the right. Here it is good to keep moving so that you know how to adjust your steering appropriately to face forward. In my case, because there are parked vehicles, so I had to use the middle of the road. But in case there are no parked vehicles, you have to maintain your own lane properly. Always use your indicators when appropriate. Keep checking mirrors and blind spots throughout the maneuver. Perform the turn slowly and smoothly. Avoid touching the curb or crossing the center line unnecessarily. If traffic appears, pause and let other vehicles pass before continuing, if it is easy to do so or if it is safe to do so.